Okay. They came to play in heaven.
I think in this past week we have seen 2 letters, motions for a vote of no confidence against me at the forthcoming AGM of the KRU. So I just want to set the record straight. There are quite a number of allegations that I've been in office for the last 11 months. There's no sponsorships that have come in. I just want to say I stood on the flag and platform of integrity, and the problem with KRU over the last few years, and that's why the corporate sponsors, partners, corporate Kenya stayed away from Kenya Rugby Union, was matters of integrity. When I took office in March 2023, I took some time to find out, because there were so many allegations going around, I needed to confirm for myself what was happening. And, we came and found out that directors were dealing with the union. They had their companies that were contracted by the Kenya Rugby Union. They were getting paid. Others were supplying legal services. Others were supplying transport services. Others were supplying accommodation services. Others were providing all sorts of services to the KRU. So in June, during a board retreat, I made sure that all the directors of the board signed the conflict of interest agreement and an NDA, because a lot of things are also flying out of the board. As soon as you have a board meeting, you're seeing information that is only privy to the board circulating everywhere. And of course, talking, they said, you have a good plan, but we won't put any money really until everything is clean. So we embarked on that process of cleaning up Kenya Rugby Union. Unfortunately, of course, there have been casualties of that, and those casualties are now feeling the pain, and I think they want to come back, and they're fighting me personally. But I just want to assure everybody, all Kenyans, all the rugby stakeholders, that I shall not relent on this fight against corruption. It's the way I was brought up, about integrity. By my parents, my schooling, I was in Strathmore School. We were taught everything is do things the right way. And I'm not afraid of all these allegations, because we shall answer them. And I can tell you, what we have progressed over the last 11 months since we took office.